Hello guys, it's raining outside, but I'm going outside. So I will gonna get my umbrella. Let's go guys. My umbrella is so pretty. I'm sure I'm gonna like. All my videos have a Tagalog words. But mom not just dancing in my phone. He just dancing in her own phone. I have a cough. I in Manila. I know to Tagalog, but I'm from American. The words of the Philippines, they're saying American is Americano. I want to say in Manila words. Ang ganda ang bulaklak. See, my voice is said English words because I don't want to complete my what's this? Oh, my name. My umbrella have my name, and it's Korami, right? Let's go into my friend's house, but I'm not gonna video in my friend's house because I don't have a signal there. Of course, we need signal if we're gonna video in YouTube. This is Vasen. Wow, so many flowers. It's so pretty. Guys, did you know that I have a lipstick? Eh, and we have a worst dog. I mean, I'm going to buy a candy. So wait for me, guys. And we wait in part 3. That will be the candies. Because in part 2, there's a part 2 will video. The big car dance. My face. I just dance all the times. And I'm in our house now. So watch me. Let's go. I just closed my umbrella. Ah! The rain just fell in my hair. This is serious. We are rich. Yes, let's put it here. Bye-bye, guys.